So hello guys, you can see I'm at Stansted Airport now and I'm about to leave. I'm about to catch the flight to Turkey. It's been quite a journey getting down to London. I live in Nottingham, which is in the middle of the UK. So I left yesterday and it took 6 hours on bus to get down to Stansted Airport. I decided to break the trip up just a little bit because it's so long. So I stopped in a hotel overnight. I'll show you around the airport later, but for now I'll just give you a brief update to what is happening with the trip. So there has been a slight change of plan. Obviously I'm leaving on the 29th, as you can see, but I'm not going to India first. I'm actually going to Kyrgyzstan in Central Asia. I'm flying to the capital, Bishkek. I am going via Turkey, Istanbul. Unfortunately I haven't got enough time to have a look around the country, but we can have a good look around the airport, which I'll probably do a review on as well. I'll show you around the airport, as I said, later on. So right now in Kyrgyzstan, what is happening is the World Nomadic Games starts on the 2nd September next week. So that'll be an amazing opportunity to go and have a look around and hopefully get some good footage of a very interesting event that only ever takes place every 2 years. Hello guys, and welcome from Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. This is my first vlog of my around the world trip to becoming a digital nomad. Okay, right, so I'm here in the Alatu Square. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Right behind me is the State Museum and the big flag, as you can see, of Kyrgyzstan. It's quite a central place in Bishkek. It's a lovely place to be. At night it all lights up. I've not actually managed, unfortunately, to catch some footage. I only went past in a taxi and saw it, but I'll try and get out tonight and show you some. Right, so my first impressions of Bishkek. It's very modern. I just cannot believe how modern it is. It's amazing. It's a very laid-back city. People get on with their lives. It's busy, but it's very kind of slow pace, really. There's no rush to anybody. Everyone seems very calm, and to be honest, they don't tend to pay that much attention to tourists. I mean, I'm sat here with a video camera and no one's batting an eyelid, or it's not that busy today. I was actually down here yesterday. It was very busy. There was some kind of concert on, but today it's quite quiet. I haven't actually checked out. I'm not sure the museum's actually open. I might have to do that another day. So I've just got to the National State Museum, and unfortunately it's closed for renovation, so I don't think we'll be going in there anytime soon. Slightly disappointed that, because apparently it's one of the best things to see in Kyrgyzstan, to see all the history. So yeah, I mean, obviously, they have to close it at some point, to renovate it, but big shame that. hopefully I'll have to check that out to see when it's going to be reopened. As for now, yeah, they're good. I really struggled to find somewhere to get some money from. So the only place I managed to find was this really posh shopping centre. So I managed to get some food, which it's not my first meal. I did have one last night, but my second meal in Kyrgyzstan was KFC, as I'm walking past it now. Yeah, not the best, I know, but you know, I mean, well, oh well. It's too late now. I've already had a meal. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I managed to find money. I need to sort my mobile phone out. I really wish I had done the airport. Anybody who comes to Kyrgyzstan, make sure that you get your phone sorted at the airport, because it's a lot easier than trying to speak to somebody here. It's really hard. No one speaks English. First thing you've got to learn about this country is no one speaks English at all. It's a really, really hard place to to get about. I must admit already it's been a lot harder than I thought it would be. I'm here in Osh Market in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and yeah, I'm just walking through the bazaar. It's absolutely packed day. It's just crazy. It's a lovely market though, mostly fruit and veg, but there is like spices and stuff, as you can see behind me. Yeah, it's quite an interesting market. It's certainly where you get your fruit and veg and anything you need shopping wise. Certainly come here rather than going to the big posh supermarket where I've just been. I mean, I paid £4 for a KFC, which abroad is quite expensive, you know. But here I'm sure you can get food for, well, I paid £1 for a bunch of bananas and an apple, which probably is more expensive than it probably normally would be, but well, I'm a tourist, aren't I, so. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this video up now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon. Cheers.